ready to blast off into the world of decentralized finance and potentially land on the moon. Today, we're diving into how to buy Safemoon using Ethereum within your MetaMask wallet. First, ensure you have MetaMask installed on your browser or mobile device and that you have some Ethereum or ETH ready to swap if you don't have MetaMask yet. Download it from the official website and follow the setup instructions to create a wallet and securely store your seed phrase. Next, head over to a decentralized exchange, or DEX. Like PancakeSwap, make sure you're on the correct website to avoid scams. Click the Connect Wallet button and select MetaMask from the options. MetaMask will prompt you to grant permission to connect to PancakeSwap. Approve this request. Now, in the swap section, select ETH as the currency you're paying with and Safemoon as the currency you want to receive. You may need to manually add the Safemoon contract address. If it doesn't appear in the list, you can find this address on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. But always double-check its accuracy. Due to Safemoon's tokenomics, you'll likely need to adjust the slippage tolerance. Click the settings icon. It looks like a gear, and increase the slippage percentage until your transaction goes through. Start with 5% and increase as needed. But be aware that higher slippage means you might get fewer tokens. Before confirming the swap, MetaMask will display the estimated gas fees. These fees can fluctuate depending on network congestion. Review the fees carefully to ensure you're comfortable with the cost. Click Confirm to execute the transaction. Once confirmed, the transaction is broadcast to the Ethereum network. It may take a few minutes for the transaction to be confirmed. You can view the transaction details on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A quick disclaimer: investing in newer cryptocurrencies like Safemoon carries significant risks. Prices can be highly volatile, and you could lose a substantial portion of your investment. Always do your own research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Good luck, and happy trading.